Hey guys, we received this My Sign Center custom door mat. It's a personalized name for the front door of the mat, indoor or outdoor use, anti-slip backing, and 18 by 30 inches polyester top. So you can see it's a very nice and very nice built doormat here. So this is a customized one. We have put the tigers here, and you can see the printing and the embossing is really nice with the welcome tigers, and in the backing is like non-slip that you can see it here. It's a thick mat, and it's like a very nice high quality doormat, I can say. And the printing is very crisp, very clear, and long lasting because this is embossed. It's just not like paint, and it looks really nice on the top as well. And while putting in with this weaving feel, so this is suitable for all weathers, and you can see like the crisp and the printing and things here. It's a waterproof, trap dirt and moisture with a scrap of dirt thing. Looks really nice on the door, and is a perfect size for the door with the outdoor and indoor both use.